I see skies of blue, clouds are white, the dark blessed day, dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, bounce through the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They'll know much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a very wonderful world. 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 Such a wonderful world. Oh, what a wonderful world.